Hi dears, how are you? This is Arjun Kumar. Today I will solve the question number first and second exercise 1.1 and welcome with my YouTube channel Pi and Beyond. Please do subscribe this one for your more solution of all and the exercise in the coming lectures. So today we are solving the question number first, chapter number first. This is the STB Mathematics in textbook board. Now the question of first is number what first iota to the power 10 into iota to the power minus 12. Now we have to solve this one. See iota power 10 into iota to the power 12. So we have to take the solution of this part, and we already know the four solution we in previous classes we studied. What are the four results? First iota in the solution we have to suppose iota is equals to iota. Actually this is equals to square root of minus 1, and iota square is equals to minus 1, and iota cube is equals to minus iota, and iota to the power 4 is equals to 1. These are the four results which we have to memorize, and very simple. And whatever the power you rise on the iota, you always get these four results, not out of the these four results. So we have solved. We have to keep in mind that iota 4 is equals to 1. This result we have to keep in mind always in order to solve whatever the number arised in the iota. So the solution is iota to the power 10 into minus iota to the power 12. So we can break this results in the iota to the power 4, because we know iota 4 is equals to 1. So we write iota power 10. You see how? So iota 4 whole square 2 times 4 8 into remaining 2 power in iota square. So we know iota power 4 is equals to 1. So 1 square into iota square is equals to minus 1. So square of 1 is 1 into minus 1. Plus minus minus 1 times 1 is equals to 1. So this is the result. This is the result only for this part. Now with this you see minus iota to the power 12. So we can write here, so minus iota to the power 4 12, it means so minus and iota to the power 4, it means iota 4 whole cube. It means minus iota 4 is equals to 1 cube, which is equals to minus 1. So which is equals to minus 1. So minus time minus plus 1 times 1 1. So this is your final result. Now come to the second part. So second part is minus iota to the power 16 into minus iota to the power 6. So very simple. You see the solution of this minus iota 4 whole to the power 4. So minus iota to the power 4 is equals to 1. So minus 1 whole power 4 is equals to plus 1. So negative rise to the power even power, you always get the positive result. And what? Minus iota whole power 6. We can write here minus iota power 4 into minus iota square. 4 plus 2 6. So this will multiply the result with this result. So minus iota power 4, that is equals to plus 1, and iota square is equals to minus 1. So minus plus, and iota square is equals to minus 1. So plus minus minus 1. So plus into minus minus 1 times 1 is equals to 1. So this is the result of this solution. Now see the solution of the third part, iota to the power 11. So we have to break this in the iota power 4. So see iota power 11, we can write iota 4 whole cube into minus iota 4 whole cube into minus iota square. See 3 times 4 12, 12 plus 2 14. So iota 4 we know iota 4 is equals to 1. So this is equals to 1 cube, and minus minus iota power 4 is equals to 1. So you see the even power on the minus, it will become the positive. So it is plus 1 whole cube, and so minus carries the power to positive and it will become plus, and iota square is equals to minus 1. In next step we will write. So this 1 cube is equals to 1 dot 1 to the power 1 and iota square is equals to minus 1. So 1 times 1 1, 1 times 1 1 plus minus minus 1. This is the result of this solution. As far as the solution of the second question is concerned, so I will solve the next page. Hope you understand, dear students. Thank you.